Hey all, welcome back to our SAP S4HANA knowledge series. In the last session, we have seen the introduction part. Now we're going to discuss modules. Let us start with the finance module, which is backbone for all industries. With SAP Financial Management Solution, you can minimize the impact of economic disruption while maintaining business continuity. SAP ERP system and financial software solution can help companies emerge from crisis with great resiliency. What can SAP S4HANA do for finance? Cost management and profitability, which improve profitability and cost with comprehensive analytics. Assess profit and margin contribution with real-time reporting, predictive analytics, and integrated business planning. Manage profitability and analyze customer experience strategies. Subscription billing. Enable subscription-based revenue models. Identify the product and service mix that best satisfies your customers. Deliver consolidated invoices, manage credit scoring, and resolve disputes with a complete view of customer. Accounting and financial close. It simplifies accounting and financial close processes. It combines financial and management accounting and profitability data into a single universal journal. Manage joint venture accounting and close your books in real time with less effort. Next is revenue accounting and reporting. Compile with new statutory regulation for revenue recognition such as IFRS 15 while supporting existing requirement. Handle orders, invoices and events, multiple SAP and non-SAP systems. Gain flexibility by decoupling revenue recognition rules from order entry and billing systems. Treasury management. Improve treasury and financial risk processes. Optimize straight-through processing with real-time analysis, audit trail and compliance reporting. Predict cash flow accurately, manage liquidity efficiently and mitigate risk proactively. Financial operation. Support collaborative and automated finance operations. Improve working capital and financial health with real-time data to assess customer credit risk, streamline billing and resolve disputes. Prioritize collection to reduce days sale outstanding. Enterprise risk and compliance. Manage enterprise risk and compliance effectively. Integrate and automate processes for risk management, compliance assurance, and international trade. Optimize business operations, protect organization assets, and improve financial performance. Real estate management. Simplify real estate management. Optimize space utilization, cost, and occupancy by actively managing lease agreement, investment, and construction projects. Automate processes for inspecting, maintaining, and restoring infrastructure. Commodity management. Manage commodities efficiently. Address financial risk stemming from market fluctuation by automating commodity-based contractual pricing, leveraging market codes to create contracts. Streamline invoice processes. Enterprise contract management and amendment and assembly. Create and manage all your contracts in one solution. Deploy enterprise-wide legal document management for increased transparency. Simplify and automate contracting processes. AI capability for finance. Quickly deploy artificial intelligence and intelligent robotic processes automation to help every employee make faster, more informed decisions. Indus Novator will help you to optimize finance with SAP S4HANA in your organization by increasing the agility of your finance processes and gaining end-to-end analytics. If you see it transform finance for dynamic global market like unified transaction, analytics and planning to enhance the entire life cycle. Streamlined intelligent automated processes for greater throughputs. Subscription and usage-based billing models to fit your business's individual needs. Actionable insight and recommendation at the point of decision for real-time evaluations. If you want to visually witness the product and experience the feature, then send us an email. Our technical experts will reach you out with a product demonstration. Thank you all and stay tuned to our channel for more videos on SAP S4HANA Knowledge Series. Bye.